really ain't much to say. DSBW's been going downhill. I understand that. I'm pretty sure most of y'all have noticed. Even the wrestlers. Dawson, Lund, Heat, Joey, Timbo, Austin. But there have been a couple questions going around and rumors about why I interfered. Not really interfered, but got myself involved with Austin at the end of him and Jay Dawson's match, rematch for the DSBW Championship. I don't do promos a lot. Y'all know me. I don't do this stuff. I just go out there and get it done. But the reason that I'm saying this, the main point's going toward Austin. Okay. Austin, you've been champion for a long time now. And look what DSBW's become. Garbage. One of, this is coming from me, one of the best DSBW wrestlers, probably one of the best backyard wrestlers in North Alabama. Dude, going on to betraying your own, home company like that, it's not, it's not classy at all. It's trashy. Dawson, brother, you're sticking up for yourself. I understand that, but and this goes the same for Heat and Timbo, Joey. We got to step our game up, y'all. We got to. And so back to what I was saying, Austin. The reason that I got myself involved in yours and Dawson's match is because I believe there needs to be some change in DSBW. I want what was originally mine back. I was the first ever DSBW Championship when it was just a piece of plastic wrapped up in tinfoil. Now we've got an authentic belt. I want that. I don't want it, I need it. Because when I get it, DSBW is going right back up there. Not the ceiling fan, not the tin roof. Higher than that. Don't tell me the sky has limits when there's footprints on the moon. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear it. Austin, I don't like you. I've never liked you. Me and you have had our duels and our battles and our wars beforehand. Now, it's my time. I'm sick and tired of all this, waiting around. I'm tired of losing subscribers. I'm sick and tired of DSW taking control. I'm sick and tired of that. When I take your championship away from you, when I take my championship back, there's going to be change. And when I beat you at Resurrection,